Reflection on spherical mirrors. To study the reflection on spherical mirrors and terms associated with it. A spherical mirror is a mirror which has the shape of a piece cut out of a spherical surface. If the reflective surface is on the side curved inwards, it is called a concave mirror. If the reflecting surface is curved outwards, it is called a convex mirror. Consider a spoon. The surface of the spoon curved inwards can be considered as a concave mirror, and the surface on the spoon bulged outwards can be considered as a convex mirror. Most common examples of concave mirrors are shaving mirrors and makeup mirrors. These types of mirrors magnify objects placed close to them. Most common examples of convex mirrors are passenger side wing mirrors of cars and road safety mirrors. These types of mirrors have wider fields of view when compared to the flat mirrors. On the downside, objects generally appear to be smaller than they actually are. Let us look at a few important terms related to spherical mirrors, which are going to be useful in future discussions. Principal axis. The normal to the center of the mirror is called the principal axis. The mirror is rotationally symmetric about this axis. Pole, P. The point at which the principal axis touches the surface of the mirror is called the vertex or pole of the mirror. Center of the curvature, C. The point on the principal axis, which is equidistant from all points on the reflecting surface of the mirror or geometrical center of the spherical cap, is called the center of curvature. Radius of curvature, R. The distance along the principal axis from the pole of the mirror to the center of curvature is called the radius of curvature of the mirror. It is denoted by R. Focal point, F. A beam of rays parallel to the principal axis is incident on a concave mirror very close to its pole. The reflected rays coverage at a point on the principal axis. This point is known as focal point. The same rays, in case of a convex mirror, seem to diverge from a point. This is the focal point for the convex mirror. Focal plane. A plane perpendicular to the principal axis and passing through the focal point is called focal plane. Suppose a concave mirror is placed towards the rays of the sun at an angle. Adjust a sheet of paper near the mirror until you get a bright spot on the sheet. After a sufficiently long time, the paper begins to burn to produce smoke. Parallel light rays from the sun gets converged on the paper, resulting in a sharp and bright spot. This point actually lies on the focal plane of the mirror.